China's worst fear has just come true. You see, its otherwise peaceful neighbor Japan is not just defending itself aggressively, but is also ready to beat the Chinese PLA up if it dares to attack Taiwan. Now, China is afraid, and Xi Jinping is back to doing what he does best when he is rattled, showcasing the worst form of Chinese belligerence and bullying Taiwan. Hi, and welcome to TFI Global, the foreign affairs and geopolitical analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I'm your host Shubhangi, and in this video, I will tell you about China's latest antics in the sea as Japan announces support to Taiwan. Let's begin. According to analysts in Beijing and Taipei, China is preparing for American and Japanese participation in any Taiwan Strait conflict, with recent warplane drills across the island aimed at demonstrating its ability to isolate Taiwan from possible support. But to China's detriment, Japan has been offering active military and diplomatic support and is emboldening states including Taiwan to rise up against Chinese belligerence. A few days ago, Japanese and US defense chiefs agreed to closely cooperate in the event of a military clash between China and Taiwan. Given the continued non-compliance of China to recognize and respect the Japanese sovereign territories and waters, Japan no longer seems in the mood to stay on the defensive. Now, China is recognizing that Japan could pose a serious threat with their aggressive posturing. On Tuesday, the Communist Party newspaper Global Times announced that the Chinese military was continuing to improve its battle preparedness by making its regular exercises more complex and practical and taking potential US and Japanese interventions into account. Observers said that the exercise's flight pattern seemed to show Taiwan being encircled on three sides, and the drill was a direct warning to the governments of Taiwan, Japan, and the United States. A senior defense official in Taiwan noted the aggressive stance of the military exercise after 10 People's Liberation Army aircraft, including fighter jets and reconnaissance planes, flew sorties into Taiwan's air defense identification zone on Monday. According to Deputy Defense Minister Chang Chiping, the waves of Chinese planes are part of a joint operation between the Navy and the Air Force. After the Japanese Defense Ministry announced two more PLA warplanes crossing the East China Sea and the Miyako Strait between Japanese-controlled islands, Beijing made a pincer-like flight pattern around Taiwan. After that, one of the planes flew southwest before turning north and flying parallel to Taiwan's eastern coast. According to a study from Beijing, the additional sorties in the east demonstrated the PLA's ability to strike targets in eastern Taiwan while also, and I quote, locking down the island completely from potential interventions by US and Japanese forces. According to Taiwan's Institute for National Defense and Security Research, senior security analyst Su Tzu-yun, recent Chinese warplane incursions into Taiwan's protective airspace amounted to political signaling by Beijing. The noteworthy exercise on Monday took place in conjunction with a US diplomat's visit to Taipei. Su told Newsweek, after the signing of a US-Taiwan Coast Guard pact last Friday, Beijing expressed its fury by sending 20 warplanes towards Taiwan. Emphasizing the military importance of Monday's pincer movement, which included PLA anti-ship and anti-submarine aircraft, he said that it was, and I quote, the PLA's way of demonstrating its capability to isolate Taiwan if the US and Japan intend to assist Taipei during a Taiwan Strait contingency. He also said that Chinese spy plane sorties in the Bashi Channel south of Taiwan were also part of the PLA's anti-access area denial policy to prevent the US Navy from advancing into the area from the Western Pacific. According to his review, the move contained additional signals for Japan, which, under their mutual defense treaty, would be obligated to assist the US if Washington intervened in a dispute over Taiwan. Su noted the PLA overflight around Japanese-controlled islets governed by Okinawa Prefecture, saying China wanted to prove it could surround the Japanese islands too. According to PLA flight patterns published by Japan's defense ministry on Monday, one of the Chinese reconnaissance planes also made a run on the Japanese island of Yonaguni, which is less than 70 miles from Taiwan's east coast. According to the Tokyo newspaper Yomiuri Shimbun, the Japanese government is considering raising its troop presence on the island of roughly 1,700 people as military tensions in the area have risen. The idea of fighting Japanese troops over Taiwan should send shivers down the spine of the Chinese troops. A Japanese alliance with the USA for protecting Taiwan from a Chinese intrusion shows that China is now facing a bold and confident Japan, which will not only safeguard itself aggressively, but will check any aggressive overreach by the CCP, especially in the case of Taiwan. And the CCP, with its latest military exercise, has showcased that it is trembling with fear of the Japanese.